Hi Aries, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 24th of July. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Two of Cups, the Devil card, and the Two of Wands. Now, person B has the Five of Cups, the Ten of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I have the Magician card. So, with the Magician energy, it means that, one person in this relationship is commanding the universe and the four elements of the universe to go ahead and do things which will work out in their favor. Now, you need to be a little careful with the Magician energy because that's a major arcana, and at times, okay, again I'm saying at times, there could be some kind of a trickery, some kind of mischief that is involved as well, okay? So just be a little careful on that aspect. Now, what I'm seeing from the first row here, Aries, you have the Two of Cups, the Devil card, and the Two of Wands, okay? So, Two of Cups means that you have a lot of feelings for this person. There's mutual love and connection, but there's something between, okay, here with the Devil energy. There's some kind of addiction, some kind of negative energy surrounding the both of you, okay, and that is something that is impacting both of you, okay. Now this could be with regards to options as well, because with Two of Wands, okay, it definitely shows that there's an option B. Now for some people it could be another person, for some of you it could be another job, another family member, anything, where there is a plan B or there's an option B, okay. So that's something that is interfering in between the two of you. Now, person B here, okay, has the Five of Cups. Now, with Five of Cups, there's a lot of regret this person is going through, because a Five of Cups in the traditional tarot means, this person is looking at those three cups which have already spilled over and they're not looking back. So, there's a chance that you can still go ahead and resurrect this relationship. Something that may have happened recently, you can correct those situations, but this person feels that everything is lost. Now this could be because they feel with this Ten of Swords, they feel a little backstabbed, and they certainly have this Six of Pentacles, okay. So there's some kind of a sharing which is going on. Now it could be either from your end or it could be from the other person's end, but there's one person who's sharing the time, money, resources, something with another person, and that could be that negative energy. And the other person, okay, is definitely feeling backstabbed. They feel everything is lost in this particular relationship here. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So the first card that I see for you here is the Ace of Pentacles. The second card that I see over here is again the Lover's card. And the next one is the Empress card. With the Ace of Pentacles, this person would like to offer love, okay, and they want to take it small. So they will offer one pentacle and steadily work on that pentacle, which is a very good sign. The next thing is the Lover's card and the Empress card. With the Lover's energy, it could be a Gemini, okay, and both of you have mutual love and feelings for each other. And the next card, which is the Empress card, for most of you, okay, when the Empress energy comes out, it means that this person is somebody you'll not get always, okay. It's a catch of a lifetime, because this person has the qualities of all the three queens. Now when I say queen, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a feminine, it could also be a masculine, okay, but this person is somebody really extraordinary, okay. Now for very few of you, it could also mean that there could be some kind of a pregnancy that may be there, okay, an unwanted pregnancy for some of you, okay, not necessarily for all of you. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Celestial Quartz. The message is, are you ready to release blocks for yourself and Mother Earth? Do you realize your own healing helps heal many people on a planetary level? Allow the celestial messages to guide you to be a true earth steward and caregiver of the planet. You are a messenger of light and well-being. Now the message here from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll put it in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.